Here we want to introduce two new products of DNA Pharmaceutical Company. These two products have been researched and developed in order to repair wounds that are resistant to treatment and have been produced after obtaining an official license from the Turkish Ministry of Health. HEALOGEN Repair Spray has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing ingredients. This spray is sprayed directly on the surface of the wound, and after 10 minutes, HEALOGEN Repair Cream is applied on the surface of the wound. This spray has antiseptic, inflammation control, and simultaneous healing effect. HEALOGEN Repair Cream has effective wound healing biological ingredients. The presence of the growth factor and immunoglobulin leads to wound healing effects. HEALOGEN Repair Cream can be used in treatment of all kinds of the resistant wounds such as diabetic wounds, vascular wounds, bed sore, burns, and after plastic surgery. Contact us for consultation and purchase of products. Thanks.